In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools with Notion. Notion is a versatile productivity tool that many of us rely on to organize our work, plan our projects, and keep track of all our important tasks. By integrating artificial intelligence, we can enhance Notion's functionality even further, allowing it to assist us in more intuitive and productive ways. Today, we'll explore how you can enable Notion AI and use it to your advantage. First things first, let's open up Notion. You can access Notion through your desktop application or directly via your web browser. Once you have Notion in front of you, you're ready for the next step. Normally, you would start jotting down your ideas or organizing your tasks manually. However, with the addition of AI, we now have a shortcut that can make these tasks quicker and sometimes even more insightful. As you look at your workspace, you'll notice an option labeled Ask AI. Alternatively, if you're on a blank page, simply tap the spacebar on your keyboard to initiate this feature. This action activates the AI tool, making it ready to assist. It's almost like having a digital assistant right at your fingertips, waiting to help you streamline your workflow. At this point, start typing your prompt. Think of what you need assistance with or what you'd like to create. Let's say you need some help with meeting notes. You can type something like, "Create meeting notes for last week's team meeting," or any similar directive. The AI will take your input and generate a draft based on the information you provide. It's like having another set of hands and ears that help ensure nothing is missed during important discussions. This integration is particularly useful if you're trying to optimize your notes. The AI can help format the notes quickly, leaving you more time to focus on the content itself, rather than spending time laying it all out. If you often find yourself juggling multiple tasks, having AI assist in this manner can be a real game changer, keeping everything on track. It's important to customize the prompts to match the specifics of your meeting agenda or any other project details you have, which ensures that the notes generated will align precisely with your needs. With just a few simple steps, you can leverage AI in Notion to perform tasks that might otherwise consume valuable time, freeing you up to concentrate on what truly matters. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or someone simply looking to better manage their time, using AI in conjunction with Notion can make the productivity tool even more powerful and personalized to your exact requirements. So there you have it, a straightforward way to enable Notion AI and start creating productive tasks like meeting notes instantly. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Start experimenting with different prompts and see how it can best serve your needs. Happy organizing!